Hi friends, in this video we will apply console password. So how it will apply? So first we will click switch. After that I will go to CLI mode. So if I entered, you can see there is no console password, but we will assign it. So how we will assign it? First go to enable config t, and here you can apply enable line word console 0. So here we can apply password. So just write password and MIK. You have to log in it. Without this it will not work. Now I will log out from this section. Log out, not working. Why? Because I am config line mode. So here if I want to log out from it, so I will write do log out. Do log out. Now if I clicked, it will ask a console password. Here you can see before when I was entered to my switch, so there was no password. Now it was password. So just I will write MIK, enter it. Now it's working. If you liked video, share it, subscribe it. So thank you for watching.